Hi, it's Tico Venturi with Keller Williams Realty and the Venturi team, and it's time to make our monthly market update. This is for October 2015. We're first week of November right now, and I actually did one of these a couple days ago and realized there was a few laggards that didn't get closed out in October, so I'm doing an update here and some pretty good insight here what's going on in the market. I want to look at the bigger trend and what's going on in the number of homes sold versus the prices and just kind of where the trend is going. So the first chart we're looking at here, and excuse me while I look down, the first chart we're looking at here is the median sold price. This is the trend in the way for the last 2 years of the home selling, and you can see that the trend line here, that there's not a whole lot of movement. And if you look at this over the past 2 years, we're somewhere around, at least with median prices, again the median is the middle between the most expensive and the least expensive, so it's that middle ground. It's not exactly average, but averages are kind of trending the same way. But right now median, we're at this 165, let's say, median price. Average prices are around 200, but you can see there's not a whole lot of movement here. About 3% is what we're seeing here between from 2 years ago until this year. So that's kind of what we've been seeing, is not a whole lot of movement. It's healthy, but it's not it's not what we'd like to see. We'd like to see at least 3% per year, maybe a little bit more. Of course, we don't want to go off the charts because then we deal with what we dealt with before. So just a couple other things here. Let's look at the number of properties sold. This one shows, again, it's a 2-year chart showing the number of homes sold in our Albuquerque area. This is the whole Albuquerque area, surrounding area, and as you can see, that fluctuates between 600, and we had a high of about 1,100 here August. No, that was July of last year, 2013. And you can see, again, the trend line, it kind of went up, it kind of flattened out, and we're actually trending up a little bit right now. The other trend line that's kind of interesting is the, where is it here? Pendings. Here it is, under contract properties by month. This one shows the number of homes that have gone pending, or we say pending or under contract. And you can see that if you look at the trend line, it's just kind of been steady, and in fact even during the summer we saw a little bit of pullback, but in just going into the fall here, we've kind of seen an uptick a little bit. A couple other charts I just want to look at. This one's always interesting, is the month's supply of inventory. So this is a indicator of supply and demand. I don't know why this one's so faint, but you can see that our actually over 2 years ago, when we had 11 months supply at one point, it was not good, but now we're kind of right around the 6 months supply, and 6 months is kind of the number that we look at. We go above that, where if we go above that supply, it's a buyer's market. If we go below that 6 month supply, it's a seller's market. And so right now we're just kind of right in the middle, but to me it seems like we're trending to a seller's market in maybe the next year or so. It's just, it's hard to tell. You never know. It's all about the number of jobs that come into Albuquerque and a whole lot of other things that play into that. But if you just look at the bare data, it looks like we're trending toward a little stronger market, less supply, more buyers. So it's a great time for buyers, I think, right now. I mean, personally, we've bought some investment properties, so I still think it's a great time to buy. Interest rates are kind of ridiculously low, so let's take a look at that. Interest rates, I'll cut our heads off here, but anyways, this chart, it's on our website under market conditions. You click right here, mortgage rates, and this is just a national chart showing kind of the average rates, but it kind of shows you where we've been. And we had that real deep discount back in the end of 2012, and it kind of went up, and in 2013 it went up over, wow, a whole over 4.5%, which is still ridiculously low, historically. And now we're right now, you can see we're kind of in this 4% range on a 30-year fix. We look at an FHA, it's even lower. You look at a 5/1 ARM, it's 3.25. And what's the other one? The 15-year fixed, you can get 3.25. I mean, it's just, these are historically low rates still. I know everybody's been saying that for 2 years, but we're still there. So that's kind of the market update. If you want to ask us any questions about values on your home and what's going on in your market, obviously the numbers I'm showing you are big picture, big trend. So it doesn't cover specific neighborhoods, and we can dig into that even deeper if you would like. So you can call us, you can reach out to us here on our website, and let's see, if we go to the homepage or anywhere on our here, you go under contact us. Can't find it right now. That's not good. I can't even find it. No, it's actually at the bottom of every page. There's a place you can just click right here to email us. So happy to do that, or just reach us there on that phone number at 933-6881. Thanks for listening. Take care.